A big hello to you, so great to see you, and I hope you find you well on this rather bright and early morning. And you might be wondering what this video is all about. Well, I'm here to tell you all about the latest exclusive Monday Club Wagon announcement. That's right, building on the success of the first two Monday Club Wagons, we are now in a position to announce exclusively at the Great Electric Train Show in Milton Keynes that we are going to be releasing a third exclusive Monday Club Wagon. The first wagon that we did was that Accurascale MDV, and this actually sold out to pre-order, such that several weeks before they actually arrived in the country, they were already completely sold out. And your support for that project really did blow us away. And building on that, we then did our second exclusive, which was the William Loud & Sons PAL brick. We produced quite an ornate backstory for this, delving into the world of Billy's replacement speakers. And again, you supported this project in your droves, and these wagons have recently sold out. So if you missed out, unfortunately, what we always say is you need to order early to avoid disappointment. So of course that now leaves us with what are we going to be doing? Well, we have not rested on our laurels, and in fact we have been looking into this for quite some time. A lot of you guys did ask about maybe producing a wagon more suitable for the steam era, and certainly the Accurascale MDV was lettered up such that it really was, strictly speaking, only suitable for the 1970s and 80s. We went back a bit further with that PAL brick, and that kind of covered the 1950s, 1960s period. But we've gone right back on the rewind to 1918 with our next commission, and this is just after the end of the First World War, and William Loud Sr. has been recently demobbed, and he's spotted for himself a little niche in the market. There's so many servicemen coming back from the Great War who have suffered a degree of hearing loss with all of the explosions from the shelling on the Somme and such like. And they're just really struggling to be able to hear those wax cylinders and those gramophone records. So William Loud Sr. founded the Billy's Replacement Speakers. In fact, it started as William Loud's Replacement Gramophone Horns, producing new gramophone horns that allowed those with a degree of hearing loss to still be able to hear and enjoy their records and their wax cylinders with the highest of fidelity. For the traffic involved from the factory, he invested in a couple of second-hand open wagons, and it's one of these that we're going to be producing in model form. The wagon itself is based on the 1907 Railway Clearinghouse design and will be produced for us exclusively by Rapido Trains UK. As you can see, the designs are already finalised and production has been signed off, and this wagon will be arriving along with the main range wagons at some point in the early half of 2024. You can place your order with confidence through Rails of Sheffield at the link that we've got in the description box down below. They will cost £32.95 each, and they are strictly limited on a first-come, first-served basis. And based on the popularity of our previous two special commissions, these are sure to sell out. So to avoid disappointment, we recommend that you get them ordered now. The livery itself is in a JK green. We really do like this colour and thought it was about time that we produced the whole wagon in this livery. Based on period-correct prototype photographs of various different private owner liveries of the time, we've gone for an arc design with the William Loud & Sons, and we're particularly pleased with the little gramophone logo with the little notes floating in the air, which was actually something that was quite common with private owner wagons of the time when literacy was not as high as it is now. Quite often companies would have a little logo, a pictogram, for railwaymen who might not be able to read the writing to be able to easily identify wagons and therefore know where to route them. And for William Loud Sr., this was the gramophone with notes motif, and this allowed the wagons to find their way between the factory and their destinations where they were being sent with a whole new batch of gramophone horns. Production is strictly limited, and when they're gone, they will be gone for good. We will not repeat this design ever again. Now, I know a few of you have been asking us about special commissions in N gauge and O gauge, and we are looking into that, but for now, this new exclusive is available in 00, and you can order right now with confidence through Rails of Sheffield. And thank you again for supporting our special commission projects. Without you guys, we really couldn't make this happen. Take care, happy modelling, and maybe I'll see you a little bit later this weekend at the Great Electric Train Show. Do come and say hello. Bye for now.